Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, as I promised yesterday, I'm gonna show you how to do the KYC and what the documents to use. So I'm not going to talk too much about it. Let's just see what you need to do. First, you need to connect your wallet. And since I'm using my old elrond web wallet, I'm going to connect it. And let's get started. Now I have to blur out a lot of things because you will see my email address. You need to confirm from your email the Maiar Launchpad or the KYC activation, and you just click confirm email. Now, since you confirmed your email, you can proceed with the KYC. And I'm just gonna type in all the names I have here. I am blurring out a lot of stuff here because obviously it is not safe to show all your personal details online on YouTube. So yeah, here it seems that you need to specify from where did you get the wealth, you know, your wealth which you use to buy the lottery tickets. So I will just put savings from regular income, description of the source of wealth, savings from regular income, and intended of use of assets, investment, I guess. I don't know, we will see. Okay, here you have to verify your identity, which means you have to scan your face, you have to upload the ID document, and you have to provide a proof of residency. Now I'm gonna start the verification and I need to scan my face. Camera permission required. I'm gonna just grant permission. Yeah, scan with your smartphone. I know what is the problem. I'm using my camera already with the studio software, which I am using to record this video. Therefore, I cannot give access to the scanning as well, because the camera can be used only for one software. Therefore, I'm going to use my phone. So I will try to record this on my phone and I'll just put it on the video, but it's just camera. I'm gonna scan this, open in Brave, and I will scan my face. Okay, so I have my face scanned. Now I can go forward and select the document country. It will be Hungary, and national ID, capture document from smartphone. It's funny because I cannot upload document. I will not show you this one when I'm capturing my document with the phone, because obviously it's not very wise to share my ID. Capture the back, so remember that you have to capture the front and the back. I'm just gonna use this photo as well. Confirm. Right now I'm just waiting to, so it is uploading a document. It is submitted. Let's go forward and proof of residency. Now I will have to type in the address, and for that I recommend it to copy it out from the proof of address, just to make sure that it is exactly the same as you have it in your document, in your proof of address. And I am using internet bill, which is my broadband, and I'm just going to upload it here and confirm. And your proof of address has been issued after the following dates. Less than 3 months old. Yes, it is less than 3 months old. If I remember correctly, it's from last month. Document submitted. Okay. Provider verification can take up to 36 hours. And that is all, folks. That is all we need to do. Right now, we just need to wait for the KYC to be completed. Let's see whether I get rejected or I get approved. I have no idea. One thing is for sure, I already have the elrond prepared for the lottery tickets, because I do think that this will be a good one and I do want to win, because I haven't won before. Okay, this was all for today. I hope that it helped you going through the KYC. As you can see, this is not a hard thing to do. You just need to be sure that you use the correct documents and you scan your face in a bright room, not in the darkness. Take care and good luck, everyone.